Welcome to iCart tutorial. In this video, I will take you through the general settings of iCart. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have installed iCart in your store. And if you haven't, then just visit apps.shopify.com/iCart and you can add the app from here. Now coming back, let's see the options one by one. So the first option is header text, that is this one, your basket. You can change this text from this field. Also, these three color palettes would help you to change the header text color, that is the color of this text, the header background color, and the cart close button color, that is this one. The next slider will help you to change the size of the cart header. So you can change it up to 30 pixels. Let it be 20 pixels now. Now this option is used to make the header sticky when you have multiple widgets in your cart drawer and you need to scroll down sometimes. So in that case, if you want to make your sticky cart afloat in the cart drawer, then you can enable this option. Now the next option is general settings. Here you will get two options. The first one is maximum number of widgets to display. You may be having multiple number of widgets running in the background and you want to limit the number of widgets to display in the cart drawer. So using this option, you can limit the number of widgets that you need to display in the cart drawer. Here I have added 5, which means no more than 5 widgets will be displayed in the cart drawer. Next option is minimum total cart amount to enable checkout button. So this option will allow you to set the minimum total required amount in order to complete the checkout process. Here I will be adding $40. Now let's save this condition and check in the front end. So here the cart amount is $20. Now let's see if checkout button is working or not. So now it is not working. I will increase the quantity and now my cart amount is $40. So now I can do the checkout. Now coming back, also you can change the cart background color, that is this one. Next option is button style, in which you will get two options, square and round. When you select round, you can change the radius of the button using this slider. Next option is show cart bubble, that is if you check this option, you can show the cart bubble in your store. Also you can change the icon using this option and you can change the cart bubble color and cart bubble icon color. Now these three options will let you to change the orientation of this cart bubble. Now next option is show cart item count bubble, that is this one, 0, means that how many product is there in your cart. You can change the bubble color also and also the item bubble text color. So after doing all the changes, please make sure that you have saved your changes. I hope this video was useful and I invite you to check out the rest of our videos about other widgets of iCart. If you want further help, please feel free to contact us by clicking on this support chat button. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.